We are here at Collegetown Center. We're in about the middle of the hallway. Let's take a look at this apartment. This is 603. This is a south angle style apartment, a studio apartment on the 6th floor or top floor of the 6th floor building. We're entering and the kitchen is on our right. You can see the same kitchen setup that we have in the apartments with the refrigerator, the sink and dishwasher, microwave, stove, oven, and some assorted cabinets and drawers here in the kitchen. As we go into the kitchen, you can see on this wall on the left, there's some good space over here for you to put perhaps a small shelf for your shoes or a narrow dining table, an additional table if you like. And as we go into the apartment, the closet is on our right. Let's take a look in there. We have a nice size closet, a good shape in there and good size. As we go into the apartment, we have the furnishings, the dresser, the desk and chair, the bookshelf, the full-size bed, the dining table and chair, and our bathroom is over here on the left. Let's take a look in there. Here you can go. You can see that where the bathroom is. Then we'll go take a look at the view. So the bathroom is the same as the other apartments. We have that tub shower with the sliding door. We have the vanity that opens up underneath the sink for extra storage, and you've got the toilet, and you can see that small cabinet is open here on the wall, and there's that big mirror, so the cabinet does have some small shelves in there for bathroom items as well. Let's go take a look out the window. This is an angle style window. You can see the shape of the window. You can see the air conditioner is positioned under the larger window. You can also see the heater over here to our left. Remember, in the apartments, you don't want to block your heater. You want it to be open so that heat can circulate in the apartments in the winter. Okay, let's take a look. So we're on the top floor, so we're going to get the best, most expansive views, especially here on the 6th floor on the south side. Over to our left, you can see towards College Ave, and again, because we're on the top floor, you also get some trees out in the distance. You can see over the buildings across from us. That's Ithaca College over in the distance to our south. Over this way is the southwest, and I'm gonna zoom so you can see a little bit more of that valley view. So some really pretty valley views over here to the right out of the smaller of the windows. So it's great views up here on the top floor. So again, we're in Collegetown Center. This is an angle style studio apartment, number 603. We're on the top floor of the 6th floor elevator building in about the middle of the floor. We're located at 151 Dryden Road here in central Collegetown. And from the corner, we are just one block to campus.